Check, check, check one, check, check. Hi everyone, welcome to 2016 and a whole year of great new shows in Saskatoon. My first pick is on January 7th at Bontemps Cafe. You can check out one of the hardest working musicians in Saskatoon, Don Griffith, and bonus, he'll be there every Thursday this month. On January 8th at Jellies Tavern, you can see Regina's Royal Red Brigade. It's a mouthful. Also on the bill is Off the Top Rope and No Green. And finally, at Amigos, also on January 8th, you can see Edmonton band The Hearts. They're joined on stage by Saskatoon's own Smoke Killer. So keep up to date on all your local entertainment news at thestarphoenix.com, and I'll check in with you next week.